All right, here's a note about disclosure. What is this? It's the note. Okay, so if it's the note, what do you see? You see detail.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is key. Okay, the detail. Obviously, you need to know what the format looks like. Okay, so this would have been covered in your textbook as well as IFRS. They guide you in terms of what the statements must look like. Okay, so if I've got carrying value, I'll have a carrying value at the beginning.
Yeah.
And I'll have a carrying value at the end. Okay, do I change the formula?
No.
No. How do I calculate carrying value?
Cost minus active.
Cost minus accumulated depreciation.
Yeah.
Right, so if I'm looking at the start, that's the cost of the asset, that's the accumulated depreciation for the asset. Okay, so we don't know how old the asset is, but we know the asset has been used.
Yeah.
Right, because there's accumulated depreciation.
Okay.